Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with CountAbout beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the CountAbout website. Create a new account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your details, including your email and a secure password. Choose a pricing plan that suits your needs. After you've signed up, log in to your new account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Locate the settings option to customize your preferences. Set your financial goals in the settings menu. Add your bank accounts by selecting Accounts. Input your account information, including account type and balance. Create your budget categories by going to the Budget section. List your income sources, such as salary or side gigs. Under the budget categories, allocate your expected expenses. Ensure your total budget aligns with your income. Monitor your spending by logging transactions in the Transactions tab. Categorize each transaction appropriately for accurate tracking. Review your budget regularly to stay on track. Make adjustments to your budget as necessary based on your spending patterns. Use the Reports feature to visualize your financial progress. Consider setting financial reminders for important payment dates. Stay consistent with your budgeting habits for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.